Hello everyone, today I just want to show you how nasty the Earthgro soil is. I bought like 200 of them from Home Depot for $1.29 plus the shipping. The total cost is like $1.80 per bag after shipping. That's one of the pallet. On the far side I had two more pallet and one of the small one on the top. Okay, this is what I just opened the bag. Okay, and then the second bag I just opened it. You see how extra stuff that including the soil that you bought from Earthgro. Okay, see some extra nasty stuff. God damn it, I just paid like 300 something for, because okay, let's open one more. This is just random bag I took from the pallet. Okay, ingredient is peat, processed forest products, compost, ash, rice, hull, sand, native topsoil, food processed waste. Oh my god, that's not food processing waste. You have some extra grass. Okay, now see, Jesus Christ, that looks delicious. Sorry for the shaking camera. I wasn't intended to do the video. You see like 5 bags on the top of the pallet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's open another one. See, you have some so extra stuff. Man, it's a big waste of the money. Now I have like 200 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, should be 195 left. Man, what kind of soil is that? It's ruined my day. How the hell I can put in my bed? It's a hot, humid day, and you wasn't expect this stuff. The thing is, I bought 10 bags before I ordered 200 bags, and they all black soil, no waste, no no bad stuff. And then I bought 200 of them, and now I have to deal with all the extra stuff. And son of the gun. Okay, I gotta stop the recording, and then I gonna open some more bags on the pallet and see what they look like. Okay.